This is Pimmich, the open and fully free smart photo frame. Pimmich runs on a Raspberry Pi and connects directly to your Immich server. From a simple interface, you can choose which album to display, set the active time period, or apply photo filters. Pimmich displays the date, time, local weather, and tide times thanks to two APIs, Open Weather Map and Storm Blast. The slideshow starts automatically during the active hours. Photos are optimized, blurred in the background if needed, and perfectly adapted to the screen. Access to Pimmich's configuration interface is protected by a login and password. Pimmich's interface is divided into 7 tabs, allowing you to configure display options, APIs, photo sources, preview, validation, and system settings. The Preview tab lets you view photos by source, delete all photos from a specific source or individually. It also allows you to apply various effects such as black and white, sepia, vignette, Polaroid style, or revert to the original version. You can also display the photos in full-screen slideshow mode. The Actions tab allows you to force the import of photos from USB sources, Immich, or Windows file shares. A progress bar lets you follow the steps of photo retrieval and preparation for display. This tab also provides live tracking of the currently displayed photo. The photo sharing feature for guests is designed to allow your visitors to submit photos for your frame. Submitted photos await your approval. You can then find them in the Validation tab, where you can choose to accept or reject them. Find Pimmich at www.pimmich.ovh.